Hey everyone, how you guys have been? Well, I'm great and happy. Why? Because we don't need any reason to be happy. So, as we all know, we believe it or not, but tier 1 colleges like IITs, BITS do have their plus point over others with respect to job opportunities and resume shortlisting. So, reason is simple: the high profile faculty and high standard labs, workshops, and other student welfare activities. And one important point, the surroundings. So in response to that, an academy has launched job-ready courses in collaboration with iHub Divyan Sampark at IIT Roorkee. So these courses are specially designed and would be conducted by IIT professors, which would be meant for core engineering branches like civil, EEC, and mechanical. Along with offered courses, they will be giving you placement and internship assistance. आपको आई हब दिव्य संपर्क आईआईटी रुड़की की तरफ से कोर्स कंप्लीशन सर्टिफिकेट भी मिलेगा जो कि नो डाउट आपके लिंक्डइन एंड रिज्यूमे प्रोफाइल को बेटर करेगा सो एज यू ऑलरेडी नो अन अकेडमी कोर्सेज में प्रोजेक्ट्स तो होते ही हैं तो जो टॉप एलिजिबल प्रोजेक्ट्स होंगे जो कि आप बनाएंगे उन्हें 40 लाख का फंड रेज भी मिलेगा विच इज रियली ह्यूज सो इन वर्कशॉप्स को अटेंड करने के लिए जो कि आज की टेक्नोलॉजी लाइक ईवी एडवांस्ड वीएलएसआई ड्रोन बेस्ड रहेंगी यू हैव टू रजिस्टर यूजिंग द लिंक गिवन इन डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स ऑन अ स्पेशल नोट मैं बता दूं कि टू गेट बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ above opportunities you must enroll yourself and join the session on Saturday, that is 25 June. So along with that, for civil engineers, they can join free masterclass on mastering bending moment and shear force diagrams, जो कि conduct करवाया जाएगा Mr. Arnab Sen, who is having 5 years industry experience in design. So on the other side, to have an experience of Tier 1 college session along with other IITians, you must enroll yourself in iHub Divya Sampark course in collaboration with an academy. Thank you very much. And if you're liking the videos, you can consider subscribing my channel as well. Thank you.